start karti. Okay, today we will install this 4G antenna. We have already opened the old head unit and we have installed this new LCD. We have connected the 4G camera at the back of the LCD, and now we need to put it, we need to hide it here somewhere in the dashboard. No need to show up and no need to pull the cables and this one, because if you put it here, there is nothing hard surface, so signal will be not blocked. So you can put it here somewhere, you can hide it inside here, you can stick it somewhere, you can peel the sticker and you can stick it inside the, so I will put it here inside the dashboard. So you can see here, I just stick it with this plastic and it will stay there. Let's check if signals are coming. So as you can see, our antenna is working and we are receiving the signal. Let's just see if internet is working.
Is it a New Year's Eve celebration in Kazakhstan?
Yeah, what's going on? 2006,
our YouTube is loading. I will not play much song, so I will not receive any strike. So you can see here the 4G signals are full and it's working properly. So that's it from this video. See you in the next video.